Hello everyone, welcome back. If you don't know, my name is Corina and I'm a full-time content creator and social media manager on Oahu, soon to be moving to Australia. Today is actually our last day in Hawaii, which is so crazy, but I wanted to show you guys the hotel that we've been staying at for the past week, which is the Waikiki Malia. They're located on Kuhio Avenue and Royal Hawaiian Avenue. So I chose this hotel because it's like central to everything in Waikiki. It's pretty much in the middle as you can get in Waikiki. It's not as crowded as the hotels on Kalakaua, and it's also not as expensive as the ones on Kalakaua too. So come with me on our little hotel room tour. The first con that I have is that there's no actual roundabout or valet parking here. So if you like move here, this sidewalk is pretty much where you park the car in the beginning. Yeah, you pretty much have to come onto the sidewalk to check in before you even park your car. So that's the first thing that I wouldn't recommend staying in this hotel, is because it's just so hard to get into the actual hotel with it. Welcome to our room. We are in 1607. It's a partial ocean view. It's very partial, but let me show you our room. So this is a king-sized bed, and this room, when we booked it, was $204. It's pretty spacious. We have a lot of space. There's a lot of like lights and stuff. This is the partial ocean view. This lanai area is very small, but I think it's nice to just like watch the sunset. Not that we ever did. Oh, there's Royal Hawaiian Hotel over there. You can see Hard Rock Cafe. You can see the little park over there. This is Royal Hawaiian Avenue. But yeah, it's a really nice day today, and let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is very small, okay? So this is the wonderful place where we use the toilet bowl, but if you literally if you look right here, it's so small. Like there's literally like 1 centimeter of a gap to close the door. The shower is pretty small too. Here's the closet, also very small. You can only open it halfway at a time. Oh, sorry. Mini fridge and a safe. I have my last Neko Koneko strawberry milk in here. And these drawers are really spacious too. So I feel like the bedroom is very spacious. The lanai is not that big, and the bathroom is definitely not that big, but the drawers are quite wide. I only used 1 drawer for all of my clothes. The bed is very comfy. I feel like it's like pretty firm. The pillows are probably the firmest that I've had in a hotel in a while. There's like 6 outlets just in this bedroom area, so you can charge all of your devices. Like as you can see, there's so much space. Like we kind of just had all of our suitcases out, and it was totally walkable too. So that was our bedroom. We are going to take you down to the lobby, the pool area, and the parking lot, which is so bad. That's one of the only reasons I would say don't book this hotel, is because the parking situation is terrible. So this is the wonderfully, extremely terrible parking lot. There are a lot of parking stalls, and I feel like the parking stalls themselves are not too bad, but these slopes, like I have never seen a parking lot this bad in my life. Basically, the ramp going up and the ramp going down it's a 2-way ramp, but it only fits 1 car. So if there's a car coming down, you're But this is what the ramp looks like. Nick is a great driver, and he had the hardest time getting in and out of this place. Anyway, that's the really bad parking lot. But other than that, I feel like the hotel itself is really cute. So I'll take you to the lobby, because the lobby and the pool area are actually really cute. So this is the pool area. It is kind of small, but I like that there's like open seating over here with like the open air concept of like the seating area, but there's a jacuzzi and like a really long pool to the right side. All right, so this is the lobby. It's really nice and modern, and we also discovered that they have Aloha Friday events every week. So we grabbed some free ice cream, and they had this a cappella group randomly singing in the pool area. I think all in all, it's a really cute hotel, but here are some things to consider before you book. Pros are that the location is great with pretty much everything you need in walking distance, and that the price is pretty reasonable. It feels very modern, and the room itself is quite roomy, and I also like that they have free water refill stations and free events like the ice cream and a cappella groups. The cons are that the parking lot sucks, and it's $45 per night for parking. The bathroom is really small, and they don't have as many amenities as bigger hotels. I'd say if you're looking for a big room and won't be driving during your stay, and instead want to just explore Waikiki, it's a great option, but you may want to reconsider if you plan on having a car. That's it for this time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys real soon. I love you. Mwah.